Jai Gurudev, dear students, welcome again in the CBS class. Children, you know we are studying about the chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 is houses we live in. You know children, in this chapter we have studied about the various kinds of houses. You know that this is kacha house, then this we studied about the pakka house, and after that we studied about the tent, and after tent I have explained you about the caravan, and then igloo, which is people are using who are living there in the snowy areas, in cold regions. That house is called igloo. Okay, and after that houseboat, and then stilt house. Okay, and children, these houses we have studied here in this chapter. In various conditions people are building these kind of houses. Okay, and after this I have explained you also about some people which help us to build our houses. About these, you know, we have studied about the painter, electrician, architect, mason, labor, and plumber also, and so many other workers are also there, helpers are also there, which are helping us to build our house, like carpenter. Okay, and some other works are also we are doing along with these all the important works. So so many kind of different people help us to build our houses. Okay children, so in this chapter we have studied about the building of houses, means how to construct a house by the use of different materials, and also we have studied about the houses which people use to live in different climatic conditions, means different kind of weather conditions or climatic conditions. Also people are using different types of houses. So children, after this we are today going to study about the exercise part of this chapter. So let's see, this exercise is given after this chapter, means after the completion of this chapter this exercise is given. So exercise first, means A exercise is about fill in the blanks using the correct words from the clue box. You know, here clue box is given, and in this clue box these 5 words are given. First word is flooded, second is house, third is houseboat, fourth is pakka, and fifth one is caravan. Okay, so these 5 words are given in the clue box, and by the use of these 5 words we will fill in these blanks. Okay, we fill these words, means which word is suitable in a particular blank, that we use to fill in that blank. So now let's start with our first word. First blank, we need a dash to live. Children, what we need to live in? We need a house. Okay, so second word house is given, you know. So this word we are filling here as we need a house to live in. Second is dash houses are very strong and last for many years. चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? मीन्स कौन सा हाउस बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है और बहुत सालों तक वो रहता है, खराब नहीं होता. Which kind of house is this? You know, Pakka house, because Pakka house is a kind of house which we make from sand, cement, bricks, and by the use of steel rods. So these all are strong materials. So that's why this Pakka house is a strong house. So Pakka word is here. You know, this is fourth word is Pakka. So here we fill Pakka houses. So third is a dash is a house on wheels. You know, children, I have shown you original picture also in the previous class when we have studied about Karwa, and this house is Karwa house, and Karwa is a kind of house which is built on wheels. Okay, and it can be pulled by the use of animals, or it is motor driven, means with the help of motor also we can drive it or we can pull it. And this house has wheels also. So you know, this in the help box Karwan is given as a fifth word, and that fifth word we put in this third blank. So fourth is a dash is a floating house. Floating means तैरता हुआ. पानी में कौन सा हाउस तैरता है? House boat. You know, we have studied about this house also. It is a kind of house which floats on the surface of water. So it is a houseboat. And houseboat is also given in clue box. So this word we fill here in the fourth one. Fifth is stilt houses are made in areas which are generally dash due to heavy rains. Children, you know, we have studied this last type of house in our chapter, which is stilt house. And let's see the picture. See this picture I have shown you in the from the book also when we studied about when I explained you this chapter, that this is called stilt house, and this stilt house is made on these pillar like structures, because these kind of houses are built in that area which are generally flooded with water, means जिनमें रेनफॉल बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, उसकी वजह से बहुत बाढ़ भी आती है. बाढ़ बहुत कॉमनली होती है वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो see here water they have shown. So that's why they made stilt houses. Why they made stilt houses? Because of heavy rainfall there. That area is generally flooded due to heavy rains. So flooded word is given here, children. First word is flooded. So flooded is, we write here. Flooded means बाढ़ से भरा हुआ एरिया. ओके, सो this is all about the fill in the blanks. So next let's come to the B part of exercise. What are these? Name these houses. Means here they have given clue to that, clue to you. Clue means some statement is given for these kind of houses. You should guess that which kind of houses are these. Okay, so let's see first one. Made of mud, straw, wood and bamboo. Children, can you guess which kind of house is this? जिस हाउस को हम मड से बनाते हैं, स्ट्रॉ, वुड एंड बैम्बू. की हेल्प से बनाते हैं, वो कौन से हाउस होते हैं? कच्चा हाउसेस. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट इज कच्चा हाउस and second is made of bricks, cement, wood and iron. You know, these all are the strong materials we have studied here also. Okay, in second fill in the blanks we have studied. So this is about this information is about the pakka house. Third is made of canvas. Made of canvas tent. You know that here why they written like made of canvas, because some people use to make these tents. Tents are the kind of houses which are not permanent houses. These are the temporarily made to live for some time there. Okay, and some people who are visiting for some particular work or for some camp, they live in such kind of tents, and tent is totally made up of cloth material. Okay, so you know we have studied in this house also that sometime army men or some other people who are generally going to the mountains for study purpose or for other security purposes and some other work, they used to live in these temporary houses. They are called tents. Okay, so that's why they written here made of canvas. Canvas is a kind of cloth. Okay, thick cloth, and this is used to make tent. Next is house on wheels. Children, you know which house we make on wheels? Canvas. Okay, sorry, carvan. Carvan is a kind of house which we make on wheels, and made of blocks of ice. Can you guess which kind of house is this? This is igloo. You know, igloo is a kind of house which is made of blocks of ice, and these kind of houses we can see only in the snowy areas or cold regions. Okay, and sixth is floating on water. You know, children, which kind of houses are floating on water? Houseboats. Okay, houseboat is a kind of house which floats on the surface of water. And seventh is standing on wooden poles. You know that standing on wooden poles, just now we have studied, I have shown you that house where generally floods are coming, and because of heavy rainfall, that area which are generally flooded with water, that are this kind of houses are means these kind of houses are present there, standing on wooden poles. What kind of houses are these? Stilt houses. Okay, children, so this is your second exercise. What about the name the houses, name these houses. Okay, after this, next is a very interesting, and I think you all know about these houses now. Identify the following houses and write their names. Children, here they have given different types of houses which that pictures which are given in your chapter. Okay, so first picture is this one. You know, by watching this picture you can easily write that which kind of house is this? Stilt house. And second is igloo. This is made up of blocks of ice. And third kind of house is this one. It is made of canvas. Canvas means that a kind of cloth, thick cloth, that is tent. Okay, this kind of house is called tent and it is temporary house. And fourth one is this kind of house. You can see wheels here. So wheel, that house which is having wheel, what is the name of this house? Caravan. Okay, so this is a caravan. So children, these are the kind of houses, and this is about the exercise part of your this chapter. With this children, we have completed our this chapter, and after this I'll give you some extra exercise, means in the form of match the columns, okay, that you have to write in your notebooks, and some other exercise also. And here these exercises you have to fill in your book only. Okay, this don't write in your copy, but whatever I'll give you in copy, that you copy down or note down in your EVS notebook. Okay, मीन्स जो बुक में एक्सरसाइज दी है वो आपको बुक में फिल करनी है, और जो मैं आपको कॉपी में लिख के दूंगी वो आपको अपनी कॉपी EVS की कॉपी में नोट डाउन करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो we will study about the exercise which we will write in our EVS notebook.